next set, which was probably somewhere in the middle of the paper, was based upon tournaments. Now, in comparison to other sets that have been asked previously in the CAT exam on tournaments, this was very very easy. बट आपको टूर्नामेंट से इतना खौफ है, इतना डर लगता है कि वो क्या खतरनाक टाइम कंज्यूमिंग सेट होगा, तो दैट ड्रोव अवे मैनी ऑफ यू फ्रॉम दिस सेट कि भागो. तो दिस इज़ इन कंपैरिजन टू दी कौन सा वो सेट था, कैंडल स्टिक वाला, and the first one with the web surfers. So this is just a little more difficult, but किया जा सकता था. You maybe need 12 minutes. So you have a game called Quiet. It's played between two teams. There are 6 teams numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They play in this tournament. Now these teams are divided equally into two groups. We'll call them Group 1 and Group 2. In the tournament, each team plays every other team in the same group only once. तो आपकी 6 टीम्स जो हैं वो 2 ग्रुप्स में हैं, 3-3 के. ठीक है, तो 3 teams in the first group and each team in the other group exactly twice. तो आपके ग्रुप में 3 टीम्स हैं, यू आर वन ऑफ देम, एंड दूसरे ग्रुप में 3 टीम्स हैं. ठीक है, so if you you have group 1 and group 2, so in your group there are 2 other teams. With them you will play once, 2 into 1, plus in the other group you have 3 teams with whom you will play twice. That means that you or each team is going to be playing 8 matches. Now this tournament has several rounds, each of which consists of a few games, and each team plays exactly 1 game in each round, which means that each team plays 8 games, 1 game in each round. There are 8 rounds. There are a total of 8 rounds. उससे आपका question number 9 आंसर हो जाएगा immediately without writing anything. ठीक है, तो विल मेक दीज राउंड्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. वहाँ पे मैचेस कराना शुरू करेंगे, ऐसे ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ द फॉलोइंग फैक्ट्स आर नोन. ये आंसर हमारा आ चुका 8. Each team played against a team from the other group in round 8, but अभी पता नहीं कि कौन सी ग्रुप में कौन है. In round 4 and round 7, the matchups, that is the pair of teams playing against each other, were exactly the same. Round 4 and 7 के matchup same रहेंगे. अगर 4 मिल गया तो 7 मिल जाएगा. एंड सिमिलरली राउंड 5 एंड राउंड 8 द मैचअप्स वर आइडेंटिकल. ठीक है, तो ये 5 एंड 8 के भी मैचअप्स आइडेंटिकल रहेंगे. तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट फॉर अस राइट नाउ. Now team 4 played team 6 in both round 1 and 2, which means they are in opposite groups. Team 4 versus team 6. 4 versus 6. राउंड 1 एंड राउंड 2. तो अगर टीम 4 को मैं रखूं पहले ग्रुप में तो टीम 6 जाएगा दूसरे ग्रुप में, बिकॉज दे प्ले 2 मैचेस अगेंस्ट ईच अदर. टीम 1 played team 5 only once and that was in round 2. That means they are in opposite teams. Team 1 played team 5 only once. That means that I have the third matchup now for round number 2. 4, 6, 1, 5. क्या बचा? 2, 3 बचा. Team 2 versus team 3. 2 versus 3 बचा. ठीक है, so I know that team 1 and 5 are in opposite groups, but I don't know कौन सी group में है. Team 3 played टीम 4 in round 3. Round 3 में टीम 3 played with टीम 4 and team 1 played with team 6 in round 6. Team 1 versus team 6. Still we don't know कौन से ग्रुप में है, तो थोड़ा और इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए. 1 versus, we're just writing down अभी तो. In round 8 team 3 played team 6. यहाँ से डेटा मिलेगा. Team 3 played with team 6 while team 2 played with team 5. Team 2 versus team 5 and team 1 versus team 4. And I know that ये पूरा का पूरा प्रोसेस राउंड 8 में जो हुआ है, राउंड 5 में भी वही हुआ है. And when these teams are playing each other twice, that means they are in opposite teams. तो टीम 6 ने जो टीम 3 के साथ खेला है means they are in opposite teams. टीम 6 and 3 are in opposite teams. और यहाँ पे है आपका ये टीम 1 है. टीम 1 played with टीम 4, they are in opposite teams. तो टीम 4 इधर है तो टीम 1 इधर आ जाएगा. 4 इधर है तो टीम 1 आ जाएगा इधर. That means that the remaining two teams, team 2 and team 5 are also in opposite teams, but हमें ज़रा देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन कहाँ पे आएगा. Team 2 with team 5. Now search. I am searching for some information to be able to find out कि team 2 या team 5 कहाँ पे रखा जाए. ठीक है. 4 and 7, ग्रुप 4 राउंड 4 and 7 का डेटा सेम रहेगा. We have to try to find something. Team 4 has played with team 6 twice and team 4 has played with team 1 twice and team 4 और नहीं है. team 6 है क्या हमारे पास बहुत सारा. team 6 has played team 4 twice. team 6 has played team 3 twice. ये देखो, team 6 has played team 3 twice. उसके बाद टीम 6 हैज़ प्लेड टीम 1. आई थिंक आई गॉट इट. देखते हैं. ये देखो, टीम 6 ने किस किस के साथ खेला है. टीम 4 के साथ 2 बारी खेल लिया एंड टीम 3 के साथ यहाँ पे 2 बारी खेल लिया. ठीक है. उसके बाद टीम 6 ने जो टीम 1 के साथ खेला है एक बारी. नाउ टीम 6 हैज़ टू प्ले विद अनदर टीम 2 बारी. राउंड 4 में भी खेलना है एंड राउंड 7 में भी खेलना है. So we observe basically at this point this word only, that team 1 played team 5 only once and that was in round 2. तो जब team 1 team 5 को only once खेलेगा that means they are in the same team. and यहाँ पे आ जाएगा team 2. ठीक है. ये सिर्फ once खेला है. and now we will try to complete the rest of our table and matchups. उतने में question भी complete कर सकते हैं. What is the number that the team 1 played in round 5? Round 5 में team 1 has played team 4. 1 has played 4. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब किसी का काउंटिंग कर लेते हैं. Let's count for example T6. T6 has played T4 के साथ 2 मैचेस. T6 has played T3 के साथ 2 मैचेस, तो T6 को अब खेलने हैं T2 के साथ 2 मैचेस, एंड वो दोनों मैचेस तो ऑब्वियसली राउंड 4 एंड राउंड 7 में होने पड़ेंगे. तो T6 वर्सेस T2. तो नाउ T6 के मैचेस आर ऑल over, they are all finished. Now we can check, for example, T1. तो यहाँ पे T1 ने भी किसी के साथ तो खेलना है. T1 will be playing, and because they are playing twice, that means it will be with someone in the other team. ठीक है. तो अब T1 versus T5 is done. T1 versus T6 is also done. T1 versus T4 is also done. ये देखो, अगर T1 का T4 के साथ मैच हो चुका है, that means T1 is left with T2 और T3. ठीक है. बट यहाँ पर T1 T2 के साथ नहीं खेल सकता, तो यहाँ T3 आ जाएगा. And last remaining matchup 1-3-2-6 becomes 4-5. T4 versus T5. T4 versus T5. Sorry. ठीक है. Now, what is the number of the team that played टीम 1 इन राउंड 7? राउंड 7 में टीम 1 ने खेला है टीम 3 के साथ. ठीक है. एंड यहाँ पर अब क्या आएगा? वी कैन डू 13th ऑल्सो. Which team among the teams numbered 2, 3, 4, 5 was not part of the group? 2, 3, 4 are in one group, but 5 is not part of the group. अब हमारा सिर्फ बचा है round 3. Round 3 is left over here. So what will happen in round number 3? T3 versus T4 is already done. Now T1 किसके साथ खेलेगा? Who will T1 play with? So T1 has already played with T5 and T6. T5 और T6 हो चुका है T1 के मैचेस. That means 2, 3, 4 are left. Now team 1 with 2, 3, 4. Team 1 team 3 के साथ खेल चुका है. That means team 1 team 3 के साथ खेल चुके हैं. That means 2 and 4 are left. But team 1 team 4 के साथ भी 2 मैचेस खेल चुका है, which means T1 versus T2 is left. Round 3 में you will have team 1 versus T2. So last बचा team 6 versus T5. Team 5. What is the number of the team that played team 6 in round 3? That will be team number 5. So this was slightly more difficult, but definitely इसको भी आप 12 से 14 मिनट में कर सकते थे. Good set. If you want, you can finish the rest of the team lineups, but क्यों करना है जब सारे questions answer हो चुके हैं? Okay.